I've got a box of Ultimate Gold synthetic urine here. You can buy it online for 20 bucks. Let's open it up and see what's inside. You get a 3-ounce bottle of synthetic urine, a heat pack with a sticky side, and a flip-up spout cap. The instructions are printed clearly on the back of the box, so it's easy to follow the steps. Also, don't forget, I have a video where I review the best synthetic urine kits, including what to look for to pass a drug test. The link is in the description and at the end of this video. Now, let's look at the synthetic urine itself. The color looks decent, and it has 3 ounces of urine. Drug tests usually need at least 1.5 ounces, so in theory you could try to split it and use it twice, but measuring 1.5 ounces exactly is tricky, so it's safer to just use all 3 ounces at once. The urine quality is okay for basic drug tests, but since it's so cheap, there's a chance it might not pass more detailed validity checks. The bottle's flat, making it easy to hide. The flip-up spout cap is a nice touch. You don't have to keep unscrewing and screwing the cap during the test. It seals tightly, so you don't have to worry about leaks. Now let's talk about the temperature strip. The temperature of the urine is 97.8 degrees, and the strip shows 98 degrees. Strip seems to be working fine, so you can rely on it for a pretty accurate reading. Now let's look at the heat pack. It's a regular hand warmer with a sticky side, so you can attach it to the bottle easily. It says it can get as hot as 165 degrees, which is way too hot for this use and could even burn you if it touches your skin, so be careful. The pack says it can keep the heat for 8 hours, but realistically, you can expect it to last for about 6 hours. It takes about 30 minutes for the heat pack to warm up the urine. If you need it heated faster, you can use a microwave. If you're using the microwave, unscrew the cap first and remove the seal. Heat in 10-second bursts, checking the temperature each time. Stop once it reads between 90 and 100 degrees. Be careful not to overheat it. Once it's at the right temperature, put the included flip-up spout cap on tightly. Next, open the heat pack and attach it to the side of the bottle opposite the temperature strip. Keep the bottle hidden somewhere on your body, like in a leg strap or underwear with a secret pocket. When you're ready to take the test, take out the bottle, check the temperature, and make sure it's between 90 and 100 degrees. Flip open the spout cap, pour the urine into the test cup, and that's it. Close it up, hide the bottle again, and you're done. And as always, don't forget, I have a full review of other synthetic urine kits that are easy to use and reliable for passing a test. Check it out. The link will pop up on the screen now.